So hello guys, so this session gonna be very interesting, so I request all of you to watch till the end. So what I will be discussing about for loop and the beauty of this loop. So before this, let me ask you a few things. If you know, let's suppose if I write a simple code, if I write main, if I write int I is equal to printf hi and printf %d comma I. So what gonna be the answer? So printf, you know, printf returns what? Printf is just like a normal function which is supposed to return something. So printf returns what? Number of characters. This thing is very important. And printf, just like any function returns something, printf returns number of characters and it prints something. So when you write this code, what should be the answer of this code? Firstly, printf prints something. So first printf print is hi. Then printf is supposed to return something and printf returns what? Number of character. So number of character inside this printf is 2. So internally printf returns 2 and that 2 is getting stored in I. Therefore the value of I is 2. So answer is hi 2. So what printf returns? Printf returns number of characters, right? Similarly, let's suppose if I write int I comma j, and if I write I is equal to scanf %d comma address of j, and let's suppose the input taken, the value of j is 1000 and you are printing what? You are printing %d comma I, you are printing the value of I. So tell me what is the value of I? Since you know printf returns what? Printf returns number of character. Similarly scanf returns what? Scanf returns number of arguments, and number of argument is denoted by these %d. One %d means one argument, another %d means two argument, and if I write %d, there is a space and one more %d. So this is one argument, space is treated as one more argument, and this is your third argument. So scanf returns 3 in this case, scanf returns 2 in this case. Now scanf in this case, since there is only one %d, scanf returns number of argument. So irrespective of the fact you have taken 1000 as the input, this 1000 is treated as just one argument. So scanf will return what? 1. So in this case the value of I has to be 1. So printf returns what? Printf returns number of characters and scanf returns one number of argument. Because अभी तक तुम्हें ये पता होगा maybe that printf is for printing and scanf is for taking the input, printf for output. So scanf returns number of arguments, printf returns number of character. So keep this thing in your mind, right? Now similarly, if I ask you, now if I write if main, now you guys have to write a condition inside if such that, let's suppose if printf hello else printf world. Now suppose if I write this code, now you have to write a condition inside if such that the output of this code snippet is hello world. I want the output as hello world. How can you write this? Because you will see that it is not possible. So because even if I write here, suppose I is equal to 5 and there is an integer int I. So I is equal to 5, condition is true. It should print hello, not world. Even if I write I is equal to 0, the value of I becomes 0 and the condition becomes false, then it should print world. So how we can print hello world? Can you think? Now let's suppose if I write inside if I write printf hello, if I write printf hello inside if, so printf hello, what it does, it will print hello, right? So after printing hello, printf returns what? Number of characters. How many characters? 1 2 3 4 5. So this printf will internally return 5 and this expression changes to if 5. So if 5 condition true, so again it will print hello. So answer of this code is hello hello, but not hello world, right? Now similarly, if I write printf world, if I write printf world, so what should be the output? So it should print world first, it will print world, Then printf returns number of character. How many character? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this statement becomes equivalent to if of 5. Since this condition is true, it will print hello. So answer is world hello, not hello world. So how are you going to think and write the logic for this? Think out of box. Now let's suppose if somebody says, so can I write printf hello world? I will say definitely you can write printf hello world. But tell me what is the answer? So answer is it will print hello world first, right? So it will print hello world first. Then it will number of character 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This becomes equivalent to if of 10. Again this condition is true. If this condition is true, you're gonna again print the word hello. So it will print hello world hello, but not hello world. So now how can we print hello world? So now see, if I write printf hello, right? If I write printf hello, so what is the answer right now? Right now it will be printing hello and hello. But what I want world, not this hello. So you know one thing, that printf hello is gonna print hello. That is true, no doubt about that. Okay. And then it is going to return what? It is going to return me the number of character. Number of character is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this printf going to return me 5. Right. So now if I write suppose printf hello greater than 10, if I write, let's suppose if I write printf hello greater than 10. So printf will print first, it will print hello. Then this printf going to return the number of character. Number of character is 5. So 5 greater than 10, condition becomes what? False. So when the condition is false, it will go to the else part and it will print world also. So the answer is hello world. Or you can write n number of ways. You can write it as less than 2. It will print hello, return number of character 5, 5 less than 2, condition is false, it will go to the else statement, it will print world. Or you can write not of printf hello, it will print hello, it will return number of character 5, not of 5 is 0, so condition becomes false, it will go to the else part and it will print world. So answer is hello world, right? So now, since this concept is clear, now I am going to enter into the world of for loop. This session is going to be very interesting and I will try to make it little bit funnier also, so that at least yeah, in this time of corona at least we're gonna laugh. Okay, so for loop. So now let's suppose if I write main, if I write for printf, pf means printf I, printf love, printf anamika, printf Yash. Now can you tell me what is the output of this code snippet? Anamika is basically name of my wife. I love her so much, that's why keyword love. Yash is my name. So given this main, printf I, printf love, printf anamika, printf f. Now compare this with the normal loop. What is a normal loop? We used to write I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, and then the body of the for loop start if this condition is true. So in my case, what is the condition? In my case, this is my condition. My loop depends upon printf love. If this condition is false, I will come out of the loop. If this condition is true, it will keep on printing the body of the loop. Printf just like Yash. So tell me what is the answer of this code. So now how loop works? How loop works? So if this is my first expression, first statement, you can say this is second, this is let's suppose third, and this is fourth. So how loop works? First we will check the initialization condition 1. So it will go to first, then we will check the testing condition, it is second. After this or this, obviously once this condition is true, we will evaluate the body of the loop, and the body of the loop is printf Yash. So first, second, third, and after this we will go to this modification, which is the fourth part, and again after this we will come to second, and then again third, and then fourth. So first, second, third, first, second, third, fourth, second, third, fourth, second, third, fourth, as long as the condition is true, right? So now given this code, printf I, printf love, printf anamika, printf yash. What is the answer? So printf is supposed to print something. So firstly it will print I, right? Then printf will print love. Now after printing love, printf returns what? Number of character. So this statement becomes equivalent to what? 4. Right? So this is nothing but 4. So in C, all positive, all negative numbers are true. Only 0 is considered as false. So this is false. So this number is true. So if this is true, I will print Yash. I love Yash. And then it will go to Anamika. It will print Anamika. So I love Yash Anamika. After that, it will again go to this. It will print love. And then again it will print Yash. Then again it will print Anamika. And so on. Because this condition is never going to false. Because we are not going to update this. We are not updating this. This 4 remains constant. Every time we are checking the condition, we are not modifying this value 4. This is constant. So what is the answer of this code? Answer of this code is basically first it will print I. Then this will print love. It will return number of character 4. So the condition is true. Again it will print what? Yash. And after this it will go to Anamika. Will print Anamika. Again we will check the testing condition. Again it will print love. Yash Anamika. Love Yash Anamika. Until infinite loop. So this is the answer of this code. Okay, let me change this. Let's suppose if I put a semicolon here. If I put a semicolon here, now tell me what is the answer. I am writing I, printf love, printf anamika, then there is a semicolon after for loop, and then I am printing printf yash. So what is the answer? So now, can you put a semicolon after for loop? How it's gonna impact this loop? So printf semicolon means nothing. It's just a null statement. For example, if I write for I is equal to 0, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus, and if I put a semicolon here and I'm writing printf y. So what is the output of this? So how you gonna run this loop? For I equals to 0, I less than equal to 5, condition is true. So if this condition is true, you're not going to evaluate this because in between this there is a semicolon. So if you are getting confused with this, you can remove the semicolon and you can put the semicolon here. So let's suppose this is your first expression, this is your second expression. So if the condition is true, we're going to only evaluate the first expression. Only this first is part of loop. This is not the part of loop, it is part of program. So as long as the condition is true, you are only evaluating the null statement. Once this condition becomes false, then you are coming out of the loop and then you are printing y. But as long as the condition is true, you are only evaluating a semicolon, and semicolon means nothing but a null statement. So for I equals to 0, 0 less than 5, condition true. You evaluate a null statement, it will do nothing. Then again you are modifying the value of I becomes 1. 1 less than equal to 5, condition true, again a null statement. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So when the value of I is 5, again it is printing a null statement. When the value of I becomes 6, so 6 less than equal to 5, condition becomes false and you will come out of the loop and you are printing y. So in this case y gets printed only one time, not 6 times. Y gets printed only one time because there was a semicolon after loop. So this is the effect of semicolon. So again I am repeating, when there is a semicolon after for, so you can think it as long as the condition will be true, it will only execute a null statement, which means nothing. And when the condition becomes false, you will come out of the loop and you will print the next statement, which is a part of loop. This is not the part of loop, it is part of program. Okay, because it is outside the loop. What is the loop part? Loop part is only a semicolon, and semicolon means a null statement. So keeping this logic in mind, tell me what is the answer of this code snippet. I am writing for printf I, printf love, printf anamika, printf yash. So see how you are going to work on this. Firstly you will print I, it get printed. Now printf love, the love gets printed, it will return number of character is 4. So this condition is true. So when this condition is true, a null statement gets evaluated. So you are not going to evaluate yash. Okay, you are going to evaluate the null statement. So null statement means nothing. So after that, so if you are getting confused here, you can put a null statement here. It's the same thing. So first, second, third, fourth, second, third, fourth, second, third, fourth, as long as the condition is true. So printf I, printf love returns number of character 4. 4 is true. So you are going to evaluate the null statement. After this, printf anamika. I love anamika. Then again you are checking the condition printf love. So again love. Then If this condition is true, again you want to evaluate a null statement after this Anamika. So this continues. I love Anamika, love Anamika, love Anamika, love Anamika, and so on. Yash won't get a chance to come into the picture here. It's just wife. I love Anamika, love Anamika, love Anamika, and love Anamika, so on. Now, if I write, suppose, if I write printf, sorry, if I write for loop for printf I, printf heat, printf Anamika, printf Yash, and if I am writing -4, I am writing printf I, printf 8 -4, this is semicolon, printf Anamika, and I am writing printf Yash. So now tell me what is the answer of this code. So how is going to work? Firstly it will print I, so it will print I, then it will print what? 8, it will print 8. After printing 8 it will return number of characters. How many characters are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, so 4 characters. So 4 minus 4 is what? 0. So condition becomes false and you will come out of the loop. So it will print I 8. There is no chance of printing Anamika here, because I cannot write a code which says I hate Anamika. It simply says I hate. So Anamika won't come in the picture here. Right, so 4 minus 4, 0, condition becomes false, I will come out of the loop. Now, let's change this code slightly. If I write a semicolon here, now tell me what is the answer. I am writing printf I, printf 8 minus 4, printf Anamika, printf Yash. So how this code will work and what is the output? Now tell me what is the part of loop here. Is Yash part of a loop or this semicolon being a part of loop? Since there is a semicolon after 4, so you can say when this semicolon, put it here, so remove any kind of confusion. So this semicolon is a part of loop and this is part of program. So I mean to say that as long as the condition is true, it's going to execute semicolon. But once the condition becomes false, you will come out of the loop and you will print what? Yash. So now tell me what is the answer. So printf I, it will print I first. Then printf 8 minus 4. So it will print 8 first. Then it will return number of characters which is 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Condition becomes false. So when condition becomes false, you will come out of the loop. And you will print this Yash, because Yash is not part of the loop. It is part of the program. So had it been a part of loop, this won't have printed. But since there is a semicolon here, so this Yash is not a part of loop here. So when you put 8 minus 4, the condition becomes false and you will come out of the loop. Once you come out of the loop, it will print Yash, because this is a part of loop. This is part of program, not part of loop. So answer is I hate Yash. This won't get a chance to print because the condition becomes false. Right. So thank you so much guys.